YouTube, how's it going? John again here at Herman Woodworks, and time to keep rocking and rolling on the big silver maple slab. All right, to catch everybody up to speed. So last time, we had ripped off the outer bark. So one of the things I want to do is clean that up with a kind of dull putty knife. Another item to take care of is start cleaning out these holes a little better. Got a pick for that. Last time, one of the things I forgot to do was I had already chalked a straight line. I got to take a little more right there across this. So cut that, got the excess off. So down here at the other end, let's see how that just gives it that nice clean break. But to catch since I didn't get to show that, one other thing I want to take care of, now this is where we limbed it, is I need to clean up this edge right here. Still has the chainsaw teeth marks. We had kind of cleaned up the edge with the jigsaw last time, and then I realized this is pretty straight across. So I'm actually just going to use my circular saw with a fine tooth blade on that. So little trick. I know everybody loves these long, crazy track saws, plunge saws. It'd be all fine and good. But if you guys are trying to do this on the cheap, a lot of people have a long square, drywall square. You can check it. But so I knew, let's go over here to my circular saw. I knew from the edge here to my zero cut mark is exactly 5 inches. And I only want to take off literally a hair on here. So I measured in like 5 1/16 here and here. Somewhere I have a little mark there. Yeah, right in there. And clamp this down. So then I'm going to literally run the circular saw in here, skim this, see if that takes enough, and then reshape whatever I have to with the jigsaw. Voila, there you have it. Obviously I'll have to get in here and clean off a little bit of this paint from the blade, but this fine-tooth blade, it really brought out the grain. Even that, basically don't even have to sand, and that's always a win. We're gonna have to obviously touch up this edge just so it really goes smooth into this, and then probably a little rounding right in here. But on to more fun stuff. Let's get over here to, actually no, let's do a little scraping. Not going to go easy with one hand. All right, so starting down in this corner here, like I said, we got the bulk of the bark off, but some of this stuff, like these little loose edges where, see, it just kind of peels up nice and easy. I'm going to go ahead and take care of all that. So, like I said, I just got kind of like a dull putty knife because at this point, we don't want to eat into this other material. So we just really delicately want to peel that part up. All right, so the other side, The edge was really actually pretty much done. So there wasn't much to do on that. No point on you guys filming me just go doot doot and do really not much. So let's move on to the next task, and that's cleaning out some of these holes. More fun. More fun. All right, so just kind of starting along. Said I'm gonna take this little 90-degree O-ring hook and start pulling some of this junk out of here. And this one will probably be in fast forward when you guys watch it. All right, YouTube, that really wraps it up for this one. Just doing a little cleanup on this. We're going to get on to bigger and better things here pretty soon. Ordering the legs for this. Probably order the finish for it. Got a lot going on in the shop right here. But if you guys are following me, you'll see what's going on. I'll give you a hint. It involves a lot of this stuff. Right there. Insulation. But if you guys follow, you'll see what's going on. But thanks for watching. If you guys are new, please subscribe, and we'll talk to you again soon.